Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. This past weekend, I came across these 8x10 DIY acrylic boards at my local Dollar Tree, and here's how I used them. The first thing I did was use a box cutter to score the board on both sides in order to break it in half. I then used a strong adhesive to glue 3 of the boards together, including the 2 broken pieces. I let this dry for about an hour before scoring a 4th piece for the bottom as well. This piece did not break as cleanly as the first one did, but I worked with what I had. The following day, I used a dull X-Acto knife and rubbing alcohol to remove the excess glue. As you can see, I'm gently cutting and then rubbing away the excess. I'm avoiding pulling at the glue because I don't want to remove it from in between each of the acrylic boards. I continued this process until I was happy with the final results, and here's how idea number 1 turned out. Of course, you can customize this piece to match your aesthetic. Here, I'm simply adding silver washi tape. You could also add paint, rub-on transfers, stickers. The possibilities are endless. I'll only decorate this acrylic piece with items that are easily removable so that I can change up the look as needed. For idea number 2, I'm using more of the acrylic boards along with 3 of these 10-inch unbeveled mirrors that I purchased off Amazon. Here, I'm simply adding 3 of the acrylic boards to 3 sides of the mirror. I made 2 of these pieces in total. I let the glue dry for about 2 hours before gluing both pieces together. 2 hours later, I'm able to flip over my design, but before doing so, I'm adding more of the strong adhesive. I then added my third mirror. The following day, the glue has completely dried and the piece is solid but still lightweight. It's really important to use unbeveled, lightweight mirrors for this project. These mirrors are just a few ounces heavier than the Dollar Tree acrylic boards. I'll leave a link to where I purchased these mirrors in the description box below. To conceal my glue lines, I'm using silver Dollar Tree pearl wrap. To complete the project, I cleaned my mirrors and acrylic boards, and here's how I did number 2 turned out. I added small round felt pads to the bottom to slightly lift this stand from the floor, and it fits perfectly in my small half bath. I really love how this small stand turned out, but I wanted to know what it would look like if it was a bit taller. To add height, I'm adding 1 more of the mirrors and 3 more of the acrylic boards. For this layer, I used a glue with a pointed tip. This gave me better control and cleaner glue lines. Once my glue set, I was able to carefully place the small stand on top. I also decided to remove the Dollar Tree pearl wrap and use these small mini towels from Hobby Lobby instead. The mirror towels gave the piece a bit more elegance, and here's how I did number 2 eventually turned out. This stand is perfect for lightweight snacks, the Wi-Fi password, and other guest toiletries. I really love how the mirrors and acrylic boards reflect the colors of the room. I think it's beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers, bye.